Here are some healthy, quick, and easy weight loss recipes tailored for women. These recipes are nutrient-dense, low in calories, and high in fiber and protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. 1. Greek yogurt and berry parfait ingredients. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, low-fat or non-fat. 1/2 cup mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. 2 tablespoon granola or oats. 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Method. In a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt, berries, and granola. Repeat the layers until all ingredients are used. Drizzle honey on top if desired. Serve immediately. 2. Avocado and egg toast ingredients. 1 slice whole grain or sourdough bread. 1/2 ripe avocado. 1 boiled or poached egg. Salt and pepper to taste. Red chili flakes, optional. Method. Toast the bread until crispy. Mash the avocado and spread it over the toast. Top with the boiled or poached egg. Season with salt, pepper, and chili flakes. 3. Quinoa salad with chickpeas ingredients. 1 cup cooked quinoa. 1/2 cup canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1/2 cup chopped cucumber. 1/2 cup chopped cherry tomatoes. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Method. In a bowl, combine cooked quinoa, chickpeas, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Toss well and season with salt and pepper. 4. Baked salmon with steamed vegetables ingredients. 1 salmon fillet, about 4 ounces. 1 cup mixed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, zucchini. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Method. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the salmon on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and sprinkle with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Bake for 15–18 minutes, until salmon flakes easily with a fork. Steam the mixed vegetables in a steamer or microwave until tender. Serve the baked salmon with steamed vegetables on the side. 5. Smoothie bowl ingredients. 1 frozen banana. 1/2 cup frozen berries. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Toppings. Sliced fruits, nuts, or shredded coconut. Method. Blend the frozen banana, berries, almond milk, and chia seeds until smooth. Pour the smoothie mixture into a bowl. Top with your choice of fruits, nuts, or shredded coconut. 6. Spinach and mushroom omelette ingredients. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup chopped spinach. 1/4 cup sliced mushrooms. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Method. Beat the eggs in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. Heat olive oil in a non-stick pan. Add mushrooms and spinach. Sauté for 2–3 minutes until softened. Pour the beaten eggs into the pan. Cook on medium heat until the omelette is firm, then fold and serve.